8 years ago, a 15-year-old Sylvania student was hit and killed while trying to get on her school bus.
Morgan Duras was the last student to be picked up on that bus route. The lights flashed and the stop sign came out, but Morgan never made it on the bus. A car driven by a 66-year-old woman hit and killed Morgan as she was crossing the street. But that tragic accident prompted change, now making it safer for other students who ride the bus.
13 ABC's Michaela Marshall joins us now with how a local school district becomes the first in the state to install a new safety lighting system. Michaela.
Lee, Diane, we've been following Steve Gardner's quest for safety for 8 years now. He says his goal since inventing the Guardian Angel has always been to bring the product back to Toledo to prevent a future tragedy like Morgan's. And today, that dream became a reality.
Steve Gardner remembers hearing the news in 2010, a 15-year-old Morgan Duras being hit and killed in Sylvania while boarding her school bus.
I went home that night and basically put the Guardian Angel on a table in the form of a drawing.
That tragedy inspired his invention, a special school bus lighting system he calls the Guardian Angel.
Guardian Angel light will put down a beam of light to illuminate the passenger so the driver can see the passenger alongside the road. Traffic in front and behind the bus can see the passenger.
Now, Springfield Local Schools joins districts in 18 states that use the system, becoming the first district in Ohio.
I was a mechanic for 20 years, so I want whatever I put on a bus, I want to make sure it works.
Josh Mattis is a bus driver at Springfield.
And people are constantly running the red lights. That's the biggest issue. You know, kids get hurt that way.
Mattis believes this beam of light can help with those safety concerns. The Director of Transportation, Ron Smith, agrees.
Hopefully this will give them a little more awareness if the buses stop, a few extra red lights from there.
For now, only a single light on one bus has been installed. Guardian Angel donated the light for Springfield to test out, and if the district finds it effective, more could be added.
In our upcoming levy, we have an additional 0.9% onto our levy, which is going to be used for safety and security, and this could be an ideal tool for safety of our students.
The state of Maine was just added to the list today of states that approved the Guardian Angel for use. Gardner says multiple other districts in Ohio besides Springfield have inquired about the light. He hopes to one day add a Guardian Angel to the same bus route Morgan Duras used to ride. Back to you.
All right, Michaela, thanks. And according to the Ohio State Highway Patrol, there were 215 crashes involving school buses in Lucas County between 2015 and 2017. And across the state, there were more than 4,000 crashes involving school buses, 4 of which were fatal. The hope is that Guardian Angel will help reduce those numbers.